All right, so to make a logo, we're going to use this free logo generator from Namecheap. All you're going to have to do is just put in your name, Easy AI Club. All right, they said they're going to be able to get it done under 5 minutes, so let's see if it will do that. I'm going to click allow. All right, continue. Okay, so it's just going to ask me a couple of questions here based on the preference that I have. I like serif. I like modern, more bold, playful. Mm, organic looks good. This is good. Then I want to get more of a yellow, red vibe. Continue. All right, so you can choose your 3 favorite icons. So I like something has to do with AI. So let's see if we have anything regarding AI. It's okay. Let's see, like robot. Okay, let's go ahead and choose this one. And then let's do easy. Let's see if they have something for easy. Ooh, okay. All right, I like this one. All right, so I'll just choose 2. And now it's going to help me come up with all the different options that I've chosen. Easy AI Club. Yep, they look good. Oh, I kind of like this one. I probably should have capitalized each word, but it's okay. This is just for the demo. So let's say that I do like this one. I'm going to click on it. It's going to ask me if I want to purchase the domain. I already have the domain purchased, so I don't need to do this. But I'm just going to click on download when it's done. And then from there, I'm going to have all the files for the logo all right here. All right. It's pretty simple. Shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to get everything set up. All right. See you in the next one.